Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell, and here on my channel we love to talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle with a few vlogs in between. But today we're going to be getting into this makeup look because I'm going to be showing you guys my very easy, very minimal, no makeup look. This is going to be very simple and very easy. You should be able to do this in like 10 to 15 minutes. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and use this product here that I have from Thread. This is the complexion stick in the shade 130 medium warm golden. I used this like maybe twice and I never really used it again. I don't know why. I think it was a little bit, I don't know. I'm about to lie and make up something as far as why I didn't use it. I don't know why I haven't used it again. So we're gonna use it today, and we're gonna just contour our face. This is not gonna be dark enough. It'll be dark, but not dark enough. Yeah, because you can see on my forehead, like this thing there blended in. I'm gonna just go ahead and blend out this contour. I do not think it's a bit creamy. I don't know if I should have used this for that. Like the Valentine's Day Black owned beauty brands video, the lighting in that was so terrible. So terrible. Like I was like dang near gonna scrap it right before I posted it. Even after posting it, I was still just like, I cannot, like I can't. And I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and, you know, just keep working on it. At least I'm putting something out, because y'all was not finna get no video last week because that video was just like that frustrating. It turned out okay. I still look at it and be like, I want to delete this video, but I'm gonna just let it be. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 420N. The makeup was cute. The makeup, that was my first time in a long time that my makeup turned out cute. I'm just blending in this concealer with a brush, just very, very precisely underneath my eyes so that it doesn't cover up my freckles, because with this look, it's a very natural look. Now, if you don't have freckles, go ahead, go crazy, blend it out however you want to. But I have freckles and I try to keep those very much visible in this look. It's giving skin, and that's what my skin looks like. So I did go ahead and just blend that out. This is a very scratchy, fluffy brush, but it got the job done. And now I'm actually going to, I'm gonna put some over here because that color blended out very like widely and it's not the right color. So we're gonna just go ahead and touch up underneath where that is. We're gonna go ahead and just blend this underneath, taking it back to my ear and connecting it. See, that just gave my whole face back some face. And you can use a beauty blender if you have one. You could use a foundation brush if you have one. I just kind of wanted to stay very precise, like in place, so I'm just gonna use the same brush. It's already like filled with all that concealer, but we're gonna just go ahead and just blend that out. Okay, so that is the face. We're gonna go ahead and we're going to apply some blush. You could use a powdered blush if you like, or you could use a liquid blush. Y'all know this is like one of my favorites, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add one little dot to both sides. And then I'm gonna take a like fluffy dense brush, or I mean it's dense because it's like a lot of bristles, but it's pretty fluffy and soft. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just work this back. And then I'm gonna go over my nose with like whatever is left. I'm not gonna add no real product, just whatever's left on there. And I did just wash my brushes, so they are a little bit damp and some of the hairs are definitely falling out on my face, but we're just gonna go ahead and, like I said, just keep blending that in. And because this look is very natural, you know, it's not supposed to look like you did anything but something. So I did go ahead and fill my brows, and they're very trash right now. Like honestly, these, I ain't even finna clean these up though. We're wanting that natural look, and that's typically what I would do, is just like add in just a few spaces and then, you know, call it a day. Not even cleaning it up, not even like brow gel. If your brows get crazy though, definitely use a brow gel. Back, I think in our old house, I told you guys that I got the e.l.f. camo powders, and I personally did not like it. I had used it for a video, and the video just, again, trash. So I never actually showed you guys, but I do still reach for this occasionally. I definitely reach for the darker one. I have Deep 540N, and I actually like to use this for my contour when I'm doing, you know, regular makeup. It's a very light contour, very natural, but I did also get Tan 425 in, which is this color here. Now, look, y'all, I feel like these colors are very much similar, like way too similar for if this was supposed to be the face powder, that this will be the contour, like way too similar. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this tan one for my full face to just set everything. Typically I would use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, but like I said, I had never really showed you guys this. So I'm just gonna pick up some of that product. Ooh, it gets real powdery. And I'm gonna just go ahead and set the entire face. I am gonna go over that blush, over my eyes, everywhere, because again, we're not really gonna do any highlighting or anything excess. We're just going to, you know, literally call it a day. I'm like stamping it in versus like rubbing it in. And I did put on some primer before I did all of this makeup, so in case you guys didn't see that part, I did do that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take the one that I typically would use for contouring, and we're gonna go ahead and just apply a little bit into our crease, because again, we want something very natural, not really like looking like makeup, but a little bit of makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that brush that I used for the concealer. As you guys saw, I did go over my eyes a bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and just blend out that little crease line right there first. And then I'm gonna go ahead and with a fluffy brush go into the darker color here. Again, this one is 540 Neutral. And I am going to just work this into my crease. And if you have, you know, a color that you actually wanna do, feel free to go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do this. Why does it look like mud? I don't like that. That did not look cute. That did not go on as cute as it should have. Oh, is it because, oh my God. Is it because the brush is wet? Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Gold Deposit Highlighter for my lid, just because I want a little bit of something, not too much. And this is a very, oh my gosh, because the brush is wet, girl, it's intensifying this eyes. Oh my gosh, that is not, we want it simple, and it said no, absolutely not. But just a little bit. You could have did this with your finger. I probably should have did it with my finger because the brushes are wet, but this is what we're going for, just something very simple. We're gonna go back because there is, you know, a line there. We're gonna blend that out with the brush that we applied the first contour color with. So if you wanted this to look a little bit more put together, if you just wanted to enhance it that much more, you could definitely go ahead and add on a nice small eyeliner. I'm gonna skip that for today because I didn't do it when I actually did this makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into some mascara, and this is the Lawless One and Done mascara. This is the one I actually used in my TikTok hacks video, the like dang near ruined. It's still hanging on, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. And I do the most when it comes to mascaras simply because I didn't do any kind of eyeliner, but also because I want these lashes to pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a healthy amount of mascara, whatever you know you like, do that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty Kind Words matte lip liner, and this is in the shade Strong. So when I did this original look, I did pair it with my Juvia's Place In Vogue lipstick. So that is what I'm gonna go ahead and do today. Did I use this? This look real bright. I don't know if I use this one. I did add a gloss to it, so maybe that's what kind of like toned it down. I'm almost for certain the gloss that I use is the Fenty Gloss Bomb because I just love it. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some I used Me instead of In Vogue because this is a little bit more pop of color than I recall it being, but it's not bad. So we're gonna go ahead, we're just gonna let it ride. Here is the finished look. I did go ahead and just apply another layer of mascara and then just did my hair, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's little quick tutorial. This is something that you guys can do on a regular everyday basis, or if you just want to spruce up your routine and you don't do anything at all, I think this is a great stepping stone into makeup. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, but if you can't remember that, just hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I post a video. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I will link those all down below so that way you can easily click and follow so you have no excuses. But I thank you guys for spending some time with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video.